Oi, good evening, you bloody bastards, and welcome to the inaugural review for the Napalm Brothers channel. We are today going to stray away from the theme of spicy stuff. I've got a snack which is made by a company that makes hot stuff, but this is not exactly hot stuff. You might know Asskickin for their awesome habanero popcorn. That's something we're going to look at some other time, but this is the barbecue version. It's a 99-gram bag. It's pretty nice. There's some free publicity for the sauces. Let's take a look inside. Yes, I already begun the bag. I just had the idea of recording a review right now, so as you can tell, or not, some kernels are pretty white and some others are pretty much orange. The larded barbecue sauce completely drenched. Now let's taste test. That is really, really nice. There's a sweet barbecue tang. Very nice, very pleasant. I'm definitely easy going to go through that bag. Asskickin barbecue popcorn. Fuck yeah. If you can get this, get it. It's not spicy, but fuck is it good.